everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our new collection which is launching today, and it is called Once Upon a Christmas. We have 2 Christmas collections coming out, this one and one next month, and this one is what we call our subtle Christmas. So it is not like full on Christmas in your face, but it is just divine. So let me take you through the papers. There's this one here, it's called Christmas Joy, and it's got these beautiful large fussy cut flowers, and on the B side is great for backgrounds. This one here is Warm Wishes, which has got this sweet border. And again, you could definitely use this for Christmas or not Christmas because it's such a subtle little holly in there every now and again. I did a layout with this and it's definitely not Christmas. And this beautiful dot on the back. This one here is 'Tis the Season, and that is just a beautiful flower cluster. No holly or anything, so it definitely doesn't have to be used for Christmas if you don't want it to be Christmas. Stripe on the back. This one here is Believe in Miracles, which has got these cute little houses in it and a bit of a shabby background. Love that one. And a stripe on the B side. This one is Family Traditions, and this is really cute with the flowers and the frame. And that one just has like a greeny tone one on the back. This is like a more of one you could fussy cut out with all your beautiful flowers and your clusters. And that one is called Merry and Bright. And you've got your dot on the background. Glad Tidings is fully fussy cut, and this is where you can add Christmas in if you want to, because you've got all these little Christmas cards and holly and little Christmas stamps and some tags at the top. That one's cute, and you've got all the holly on the back if you're a fussy cutter. And the last one is Storybook Christmas, and we've added some cute little animals. There's a little rabbit, so a mouse and a rabbit, and the sweetest little koala, and some of those other shapes that we used as well. And on the back is some cute little project lifestyle cards, I guess is what you could call it. So they're really cute. So that is the paper pack. Let me show you what else we've got. Of course, we've got the creative cuts, and we've got 2 dies. So this one here is called Tags, Tops and Tails. So you've got 2 full tag dies, and then you have got a top and a tail, so you can mix and match these on the other dies or make your own bit in the middle and just having the bottom bit. I think Adele's done some cards in the magazine to show you how to use that. So that's tags, tops and tails. You've also got a ring enforcer and a cute little hang cell, because we get asked for that constantly. This little one here, it says 'Tis the Season, and you've got also your holly in the filigree and in the just the black, and you've got the holly as well. Then we've got these beautiful enamel dots which match the colour of this collection perfectly. And one cute little stamp to add on, and I think it's called Scribble. Yeah, it is called Scribble. So that are those. We've got the laser cut, so we've got this cute ho ho ho, so it cuts out the top, the middle and the outside. This is also included in the creative cuts. You can see in the background there's kind of one of those as well, because the DT really liked that. There is the watercolor cut apart sheet. You've got all these sweet little animals and this beautiful flower clusters and just cute bits to colour in there of your watercolours. And then this is our regular cut apart. Now we've released all 3 of the essential dies for our cut apart. You'll have all of the different shapes on here to cut out. Your tags, your stars and the hearts and everything. So that's that. There's the magazine, of course, which has loads of ideas, and one of these is included in the kit, of course, if you're waiting to get the kit. There are some little extras. We don't have many of these, but we have some, so we're just putting them up. So these are wooden kind of Nordic Christmassy type shapes. Some of the beautiful flowers used from the kit, some of the leftover lace, which is really sweet, the black baker's twine, and this is like a calico ribbon. There's like 8 meters of that on the roll. Let me just show you some of those elements. So this is the die, that holly die cut out, which is really cute, and I've cut out some tags, and that's those woolen elements. This is a layout that I've made. I've done a video tutorial on that. It's coming up on the blog later in the month. And this is another layout. As I mentioned, there's no Christmas in this at all. It's just a cute picture of Pearl with her Nana and Pa's puppy dog. So using all those little cute cutout houses and whatnot. So there's a video tutorial for that as well. We also have this month the 6x6 collection pack. I'm going to quickly just open this one-handed. So let me see if I can do that. So there are 2 of every mini sheet of paper included in here that are included in the big pack. So let's just have a quick look at those. And I think we had to do some other ones which we couldn't shrink down. Obviously you can't shrink them all down, like the fussy cut ones. Oh, beautiful stripe. That's the cute little houses. So these are great for card making. And we have our card making kit back this month, and I'm going to show you what is included in the kit as well. And lucky last, the stripe. So that is your little collection pack. There are 32 pieces of paper in that pack, and they're single-sided. In the card making kit, these are the cards that Tanya's designed these. These are cute little card ideas, and I'm going to show you what you get in that kit and how we have designed a cute little die to go with this. So in the kit you are going to get one of these little sheets. Now you can just cut this down with a trimmer, or if you want to, hang on, you can get one of our new dies. This one here is called Cut Apart Essentials 4, and it's for our card making kits. And oops, upside down. You just put it on like that, run that through, you just line up these little registration marks in the top here, and you run that through your die cutting machine, and it cuts out all these cute little sayings, and they're the ones that are on these cards. So that's really cute. So in the kit you get one of these, just a little one of these. You can get bigger ones, and there'll be more and more. So one of these sheets, a little one of these, will be included in all the card making kits moving forward. So we have this die, and there's one other die which will hopefully release next month, and then you'll have all the dies you need if you want to purchase them. So you get this, which is the mini cutout. You get 10 cards and envelopes. You get some rhinestones. You get the beautiful organza, and the obviously the mini paper pack, which I've pulled to pieces. And you get this, if you open it up, these are actual size images of the cards. So for example, if you measured on here, that distance is exactly the same here as what Tanya's used. So they're exactly the same size, so you can just measure up the size of the pieces of paper that Tanya's used, and that's 6 ideas to get you going. So that is the card kit. If you're not sick of me talking, I'm not going to take you over now, and we're going to see what's in the box. Okay, the new kit will be released on the 5th, and I should say that card kit will be released on the 5th as well. That won't be available till the 5th. And let's have a look at what's in the box. So you're going to get some of those Nordic elements which we had before I showed you. You've got some black baker's twine, you've got the lace, you've got the calico striped ribbon, you've got the flowers. This is a stamp which is exclusive to the kit. You cannot purchase this anywhere else, only in the kit, and it's actually called sand, but we thought it was snow, but sand, snow, whatever. It's in the kit. You have got the enamel dots. You have got the creative cuts, a whole bag of those. You've got one of the laser cut sheets. You have this cute little navy rhinestones, the magazine of course, which has got card making ideas and scrapbooking ideas in it, lots of ideas to get you going. You've got a cut apart sheet, you have got a watercolor cut apart sheet, you have got some beautiful glitter snowy card, and you have got some silvery foil card. Okay, there's 2 sheets of the watercolor cardstock, but it will not let me focus on it because it's all white. The 12 by 12 paper pack. So that's everything in the kit, so fantastic value. And I'm going to show you some of the layout. Sorry, I don't have the originals because there's just no point getting the D2 to send them to me with COVID because we'll never get them in time. So Kylie has been on the team this month, and she's used this gorgeous, done this gorgeous Christmassy style layout. But if you didn't want this to be Christmas, you just take out the tree and the elements, and you just make that any time of year. And I love how she's used the circle die down the bottom. There's another one here which is super cute with the laser cut. I love that, and all the different layers. Love this one here, the little baby. First Christmas layout, how cute. But don't forget the fur babies. How sweet is that one? And another fur baby. Okay, and then look at these guys in that photo. That is that beautiful border. Cute little one here. And I love this one of this dog. I can imagine being our cute little Bella with the cute little koala there. And this is one of my favorites. It's just beautiful. Now cards, we have lots of beautiful cards. I don't have them all even to print out to show you. This is a cute little slimline card, and Liddell has got instructions in the magazine how to make this slimline card. This is a card made out of the tags, so Liddell's just made that into a cute little card. This one here has got, she's used the tail from the tags, tops and tails dies, and made a sweet little tag card. This is another cute little 'Tis the Season cut out of that foil, and there's a cute little koala. We've got this cute little one here with the laser cut and the balls. Another cute little card here, little window card with the 'Tis the Season. And this one here by Jo, love this one. Cute little tag that she's put on the front of a card. How cute is that? Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for staying with me. This is a long video. This is our new release. We're so proud of it, like we are every month. Will be available at your retailers from the 1st, and they have got heaps of stock, so go in and please visit your local retailer if you can and support them, because everyone's doing it tough now. And obviously you can buy online from us if you can't get into your local store. We are www.uniquelycreative.com.au, and the kits will be out on the 5th, and we have loads of vlogs and videos and blog posts of other beautiful projects you can make as well coming up. And thank you so much for listening to me. Till next time, bye.